Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be teaching you how to buy Mullvad VPN in 2025. First thing is you're going to be heading over to mullvad.net, which is the official platform for Mullvad VPN downloading. And once you are there, what we need to do is simply head over to account section and make sure to create a new account. Once you create your account, you'll be able to download the application, and also you will be able to simply sign into the platform. If you head over to the pricing section, you will be able to see the pricing that you can use to pay and basically get started with the platform. So if you want to purchase it, you can select a plan from these three different plans you can see, and once you pay the price you will be having your Mullvad VPN. So that's how easy it is to purchase. You need your card details to enter, and you can see the different versions of the prices in different regions. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.